Good morning, my dear students. How are you? Today we are going to start the next chapter of the chapter 4 of the digital presentation. In your book, this fourth chapter under the digital presentation, that is the chapter number 16. That is how you can use the tables in a presentation. In my previous video, we have discussed about the different views of the slides, how you can open the different views of your presentation, how you can see the slides in a different views, how you can move the data, delete the data, how you can move, delete and copy the data of a slides plus slides. अब slides को भी कैसे move कर सकते हो. तो these all topics we have covered in my previous video. How you can change the size of the view, how you can do the formatting in a presentations. So these we have covered in my earlier video, and I hope you all have done the practical of this. Today we are going to start the next unit, digital presentations, that is the using tables in a presentation. In this topic today we will cover these 4 topics: how you can insert a table in a presentation. There are the various methods to insert a table in a presentations. Today in my practical sessions I will show you how you can use the different methods to insert a table in slides. Now how you can enter the data in a table, what is the method to enter the data in a tables. Next, how you can do the editing in a table, how you can edit a table. Next, how you can apply the borders and the backgrounds to your table to make it more attractive. It will look very beautiful when you apply the different type of backgrounds to the contents here to the table, and when you apply the different borders to it. So these all topics today we will cover in my today's video. So let's come with me for the practical session of these topics. Now I have taken the blank slide I have created in your presentation, and now I will tell you that how we can use the different methods to insert a table in a presentation. There are 3 methods to insert a table in a presentation. First is the table grid. Firstly, you will click on this insert tab. As you will click on this insert tab, then you will go in the table group. You will click on this table. As you will click on this table, it is showing you the table grid. How much rows and columns you will select it, that will be insert in your table. For example, I am selecting this. So I have selected 4 rows and 4 columns. I am clicking on this. Then you can see here 4 rows and 4 columns are already inserted here. You can see it. Clear? Next method to insert a table is go on insert, then click on this table, then click on this insert table. Number of rows and the number of columns. I am giving the number of columns, I am giving 5, and rows I am giving also. In this I am also giving 5 rows and 5 columns. Then click on OK. This another table is inserted in which there are the 5 rows and the 5 columns. So these are the 2 methods. Firstly from the table grid and second from the insert table option. Third is using the draw table option. Again click on this insert, again click on this tables, and at last you can see there is the draw table option. Click on this draw table option, then your cursor is changed into this pencil, and by this you can draw like this. आप इसको इस तरह ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. So these were the 3 methods to insert a table in a presentation. Next is how you can enter a data in a table. Just click on any cell, and I am writing here name. Then press the tab. Then you will go to the next cell. Then press class. Then roll number. then press tab, then you will move to the next cell. By pressing the tab or using the arrow keys, you can move between the cells of the table, and you can enter your data and you can write your data in a tables. Next topic is editing a table. How you can edit a table, how you can insert a rows. If you want to select a cell, आप कैसे भी सेल को सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. आप कॉलम पे जाओ, यू कैन क्लिक ऑन द कॉलम. आप कॉलम सेलेक्ट कर लीजिए. by this you can select the row. By dragging your mouse you can select the rows and the columns. If you want to select a cell, then you can select a cell like this. So by this you can select the cells, rows and the columns of a table. Next, how you can insert a rows and the tables. Suppose this is a table, there are the 4 rows and I want to insert the next new row. Then click on the insert. if you want to insert the new row, जो यहाँ पे गई, इसके नीचे एक और रो चाहिए, राइट क्लिक करो, जस्ट गो इन द राइट, देन क्लिक ऑन द इंसर्ट रोज, इंसर्ट रो अबव या बिलो. अगर ऊपर डालनी है देन क्लिक ऑन दिस इंसर्ट रो अबव. इफ यू वांट द रो दैट शुड बी shown under your selected row, then click on the insert row below. Then I have clicked on it, that is insert row below. If you want to insert the columns, click on this column, right click, then go on the insert column to the left या insert column to the right. If you want to insert the column to the right, then click on this and you can see name, class, roll number के बीच में one extra column that is inserted. If you want to delete the row as column, then go on this row, right click and click on the delete rows, that will be deleted. If I want to delete this column, then click on here, right click on it and the delete the columns, that is deleted here. So by this method rows and columns are deleting. Next is how you can apply the background color. Go to the home tab, then go to the drawing. I have selected this column and then go to the drawing group and click on this shape fill. As you will click on this shape fill, I am hitting the cell. So my this color is red. If I select the complete table, then select the complete table, then again go on the shape fill and click on this green color. By this the color of this background color of the table is changed. Now how you can adjust the row column width and the row height. Just click on here, you can see your cursor is changes like this. Drag this column. By this you can now here row को आप और बड़ा करना चाहते हैं नीचे ले. By this methods you can change the column width and the row height. कॉलम पे बिल्कुल कॉर्नर पे जाओ उसके, जब आपका माउस कर्सर इस शेप में आ जाए देन ड्रैग इट. देन बाय दिस मेथड यू कैन अप्लाई दिस. यू कैन change the column width and the row height. Next is the how you can apply the table borders and the background. Go click on this design tab, table style. आप यहाँ से background change कर सकते हो. यहाँ से आप from here you can apply any themes to your which themes you want to give to your table, you can give it. ये स्लाइड्स की थीम्स चेंज होनी है, बट अगर आप टेबल को देना चाहते हो, सिलेक्ट द टेबल, टेबल टूल्स के इस डिज़ाइन टैब में जाओ. अब ये टेबल्स की डिज़ाइनिंग चेंज होगी. देयर आर वेरियस टेबल स्टाइल्स एंड यू कैन चेंज. माई प्रीवियस टेबल वॉज इन ग्रीन कलर, नाउ आई एम selecting this light color. By this that is changed. So by this method you can change the table styles, applying the background color. Similarly design tab, table tool के design tab में जाओगे, you will click on this shading and you can choose any texture, gradient, picture which you want to apply to your table. You can choose from here. Firstly select the table, complete table, design, shading, and click on this. By this you can change, you can see that there is changing. Texture देना चाहते हो आप कोई भी दे सकते हो, like this. You can apply the texture also. Gradient, shadow effect, dark effect, light effects you can apply. So by these methods you can apply the various backgrounds. Next is applying the borders. How you can apply the border? Firstly, select it. There, go to the table styles, design tab of the table tool, then go to the table style group and click on this border buttons. And all borders, outside border, top border, bottom border, you can apply various borders. All borders I have given. Firstly, select the table. Sorry, I didn't select the table. Select the table, go to all borders. You can see that is, it is showing all the borders in the dark color. Next, changing the border color. Then again select the table, go to the design, and this pen color is used to change the border color. आप कोई भी border का color के लिए, suppose I have taken this blue color, आप यहाँ पे click on this border, pen color, choose, pen color, light है but it is not showing in the screen, but you can use to change the color of the border. You have to use this pen color and go to the border line and click here. For example, this dark brown, it is in the pencil shape. Go to this border line and then click on this border line. Now it is in the brown color. I don't know it is visible in the screen or not, but by this method you can change the border color of your table. Next is how you can apply the border style. If you want to apply the border style to your table, then again click on this design, click on this table style, pen style, here, like this border, no border, dash border. यहाँ पे आप बॉर्डर का पॉइंट्स चेंज कर सकते हो. यू कैन चेंज द विड्थ ऑफ योर बॉर्डर एंड आई हैव चूज द पॉइंटेड, इट इज़ शोइंग द पॉइंटेड. बट हाँ, बॉर्डर पे जाकर आपको इस पेंसिल के थ्रू यू हैव टू चेंज ऑल द बॉर्डर्स ऑफ द cells like this. You can see if I am choosing the 6 point and I am choosing here this style and clicking on this, you can see the changes here. Quick style, if you write something in the table and you can change the name is, I am selecting this. Now I am selecting the table, go to design and quick style. Whatever I have written in this table, its style will be like this. Name, class and roll number, you can see the changes. If I am clicking here, if I am clicking here, here, you can see here this and this, like this. So these are the various methods why you can apply the styles to the tables. So this was all about your table. Today we have discussed that what are the various methods to insert a table in a presentation. So we have discussed the 3 methods by the table grid, insert table options and the draw table option. Next, how we can enter the data in a table. Next, how we can edit a table. In editing a table, we have covered 3 topics: how you can select the cells, rows and the columns, how you can insert the new rows and the columns, how you can delete the rows and the columns, and how you can apply the background colors to your table columns and how you can adjust the column width and the row height. Next, we have discussed the table borders and the backgrounds, how you can apply the background colors, how you can apply the borders, how you can change the border colors, and how you can apply the border style. So this was all about for today's lecture. Now in this week we have covered in the presentations that different views of the presentation and how you can change the contents and how you can change the content, how you can move the slides and the contents of the slides, and plus how you can insert the table in a presentation. So please do the practical of these topics. It will be very beneficial for you. Only 2 topics are left of this chapter. Two chapters are left under the digital presentation, chapter 9 and chapter 20. In my next week videos we will discuss about the chapter 9, that is using images in the presentation, and next is chapter 20, that is working with the slide master. Please do the practical of these topics and please send me the previous work in the PDF on my WhatsApp. Otherwise you will not get your internal assessment marks. It's my request to all of you. Please complete your notebook and send me your work. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.